Unlock the full potential of your hosting or website by mastering panel access and navigation. First, head over to the hosting or website and locate the login button, usually found in the top right corner. Once logged in, you'll land on your hosting or dashboard from here. Find the websites section and select the specific website you want to manage. Next, you'll see a list of your websites. Click on the Manage button or the website name itself to access its specific settings. Within your website settings, look for the Hosting tab or a directly listed panel option. This is your gateway to the control panel. Clicking on the panel link will either log you in automatically if you're already authenticated or prompt you for your panel credentials, which are usually the same as your hosting or login details. Congratulations! You're now inside Panel. Explore the intuitive interface. You'll find essential tools like File Manager for your website's files, database management, and email account setup. Use the Organize icons and search bar to quickly access specific functions like creating email aliases, managing your domain's DNS, or installing applications. For instance, the File Manager is where you'll upload or edit your website's code and media files. And the Email Accounts section will allow you to set up professional email addresses for your domain. By following these straightforward steps, you'll efficiently access and navigate Panel in Hostinger, giving you complete control over your online presence. Master your hosting. Master your website. Subscribe for more efficient web management tips.